Substituting. You want to use parentheses instead of each of the variables in the expression. Then you want to write down the number value of the variable inside of the parentheses, and then you just need to simplify. So here we have to evaluate 2 out of 3x minus 5. So instead of x, I'm going to put parentheses and keep everything else as is. So we have 2 out of 3 parentheses minus 5. Then inside of the parentheses, I'm going to plug in what the x is. And they told us that x is negative 9. So we're going to put in negative 9. And now we just simplify. So we have positive times negative, the whole thing will be negative. 2 out of 3 times 9 minus 5. 9 is out of 1. We can reduce by 3. 3 goes into 3 and 3 goes into 9. So now we have negative 2. 3 divided by 3, 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3 out of 1 minus 5. So now we have negative 2 times 3 is 6. Out of 1, it's a whole number, minus 5. Same sign, we calculate sum of negative 6 and 5, which is negative 11. And that's our answer. Evaluate for x equals to negative 2, a, 3x to the second, and b, 3x to the second. So the first thing is, instead of x, I'm going to put parentheses. So first expression is 3 to the second. Then I'm going to plug in negative 2 instead of x. So where x used to be, we're going to write down negative 2. And then we need to simplify. So let's do the exponents first. We have 3. Negative 2 to the second is the same as negative 2 times negative 2. So this is 3 times. Negative 2 times negative 2 gives us positive 4. 3 times 4, we have 12, and that's our answer for A. For B, we have 3, parentheses, second power. Instead of x, we're going to write down negative 2, where x used to be. So we have to simplify inside of the parentheses first. So positive 3 times negative 2, we have negative 6. So negative 6 to the second power is negative 6 times negative 6. Negative times negative, we get positive 6 times 6, 36. And that's our answer for B. Evaluate 2x to the second plus 3x for x equals to negative 4. First thing, copy with parentheses. We have 2. I'm going to have parentheses instead of x here. To the second plus 3 and another set of parentheses. Where x used to be, we're going to put negative 4. So negative 4, negative 4. And now we simplify. So we have 2 times negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16. Positive times negative, negative 12. 2 times 16, we have 32 minus 12. Different signs, difference between 32 and 12 will be 20. And that's our answer. Evaluate x to the second minus 2xy over 2y. So first thing, I'm going to copy this expression with parentheses instead of the variables. They give us that x is negative 2. Where x used to be, I'm going to write down negative 2. Also, we are given that y is -3. So every time you see y, we're going to write down -3 instead of it. And now we just need to simplify. So first thing, exponents. -2 times -2 gives us +4 instead of -2 to the second, -2, -2, -3, 2, -3. Then we want to multiply and divide. So we have 4, -2 times -2, +4 times -3 out of +2 times -3, -6. We still have one multiplication to go, so we have 4, +4 times -3, -12 out of -6. Difference between 4 and 12 is -8 out of -6. Negative divided by negative, we get positive. We can also reduce this fraction, so both numbers are even. We can divide by 2. Negative divided by negative, we get positive. 8 divided by 2, 4. 6 divided by 2, 3. 4 out of 3 is our answer. That's all.